What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your AirPods case in here not charging whenever you connect it to the charger and you're trying to charge. Now we do have a lot of causes for this problem, but in today's video I'm going to show you how to diagnose this and how to fix this annoying problem in today's video. And do not worry whether you do have a different AirPods model than mine, the process is exactly the same. I'm going to show you how to solve it in different AirPods models. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, especially stuff related to Apple devices. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, first things first, what I would like to let you guys know is that as soon as you open up your case in here and then you connect the charger in here and connect the socket part into the power supply, and then once you unlock your phone in here, it should show up that it's charging once it's already paired with the iPhone device. Now, if it's not showing that it's charging, that's truly because it's actually not charging, because there's a possibility also that you might only be looking here at the blinking light, which doesn't explain it all. Now, if it even in the phone doesn't show that it's not charging, then the problem is that it's actually the case not getting power supply. So what I would recommend you guys to double check first is to check your charger. Okay, so you want to inspect your cable along with your socket. You want to check if there's no damage here throughout the entire wire or cable, and try switching the cable as well as try changing the socket and see if it charges the AirPod. Another thing you can try is try connecting the same charger to your iPhone, try charging your iPhone or your laptop device if it's a Type-C cable, and see if the charger works fine. If the charger works fine, chances are that the problem is lying here within your AirPod device itself. Now, once we've ruled out the possibility of the problem being with the charger, we're moving into the next step where we're going to double check the charging port in here. Now, we do have two types of charging port depending on your AirPod model. For example, if you've got this one like mine, which is a Type-C, you're going to need a toothbrush which needs to be 100% dry. So you want to insert it in here and remove as much dust as you can. Do not worry, this doesn't damage anything. Just want to perform this to the left and then to the right as well to remove as much dust as you can in here from your charging port. Now, if you do have, for example, a lightning connector down here or a lightning charging port, you're going to need a toothpick which looks just like this. Make sure that it's nothing made up of metal. It needs to be a toothpick. You want to insert it in and remove as much dust as you can in here from the charging port. Perform this to the left and then same process to the right as well to remove as much dust as you can to clean up your charging port in here. Now, this usually fixes the problem. If it doesn't, we're moving into the next step. In the next step, I want you to open up and then simply move the earphones around. Move it around, then wiggle it a bit in here, move it around, wiggle it a bit, move it around, and then wiggle it a bit. Basically, what you want to do is perform this for 3 minutes on the left one and then 3 minutes on the right one. You want to ensure that the connection pins in here are actually well connected to the earphone. You want to wiggle it to set it up properly to ensure that the connection is actually solid and good, right? So you want to check that here as well and then try charging it for 20 minutes as well. If it simply doesn't help fixing the problem, do not worry, we're moving into the next step where I would recommend you guys to remove both of the earphones from the charging case and simply charge your case without the earphones, okay? So you want to charge your case in here for 20 minutes to see if it's working fine. Because chances are you might be charging your case, it might be getting charged, but something might be wrong with the earphones that might be eating up a lot of battery. It could be a bug, it could be a definite problem there. So I want you to double check if the problem lies within your case or your earphones. And then you want to try simply inserting one earphone or inserting the another one to see which one might be working fine or which one might be causing this problem to happen. Now, if none of this help, I want you to try resetting your AirPods, okay? So you might be in a situation where it might be getting charged, it might be charged, but simply it's not working fine by not showing up anything in here, not blinking or nothing like that. So in that case, we're going to simply reinsert the AirPods in here, and then we're going to perform a reset here, which is something that will reset your AirPods to default settings so you can actually set it up as a brand new device. So you want to open up the case. If you do have AirPods with a physical button here at the back, you want to press and hold the button here at the back. Do not release the button. Keep on pressing that button until you see an amber light here blinking at the front. So once you see the amber light light blinking here at the front, you're gonna release that button there at the back. There we go, amber light, release the button and let your AirPod restart normally. Now, if you have a much recent AirPod without the button at the back, then what you need to do in order to perform a reset is quite simple. All you want to do is open up the case real quick, and then you want to rapidly double tap 3 times. There we go. Double tap, double tap, double tap. That's it. You need to perform this here at the front, right at the LED which is blinking. This is how you can actually reset, and it needs to be in the same sequence just the way it did it and with the same break duration, right? So do not simply tap it and then wait for like 5 seconds and then tap it again. It needs to be quick. Double tap, double tap, double tap, and that's it to reset your AirPods. Next up, simply reconnect it from scratch into your iPhone device and see if the problem gets sorted out. I hope this tutorial really helped you out fixing the problem that you've got of your AirPods case simply not charging when connected to the charger. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section down below if you do have any questions or doubts so we can discuss further. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.